today's class we are going to discuss the features of intellectual property rights. The first feature of intellectual property is it is incorporeal property. Since intellectual property is an intangible property, it does not have any kind of physical presence and therefore it is incorporeal property in nature. It cannot be sensed by any kind of senses. It cannot be touched. The next point is it is indestructible. Intellectual property is an intangible property and hence it cannot be damaged, it cannot be destroyed. But whereas in the case of movable or immovable property, the property can be destroyed. The next point is it is unobtainable. Since intellectual property is not obtained by natural birth, it has to be created. Like in a case where we can find birds in the sky, we can find animals in the jungle. Since intellectual property has to be created by using human intellect. It is not found everywhere. It has to be created by the law or by using the human intellect. The next point is negative rights. Intellectual property protects the ownership rights. It gives the protection to the owner so as his right should not be unauthorizedly used by other person. It gives the protection to the owner and it gives the negative rights to the other party. The next point is usage. The subject matter of intellectual property is usage. It can be used by any person. Like example, a bicycle can be used by anyone. The subject matter of telephone can be used by anyone. Like that, intellectual property subject matter can be used by more than one or definite persons. The next is territorial. Since it is a law of place, it is lex loci, it is applicable to the territorial jurisdiction where the law is created. Suppose if it is a law of India, it is applicable to India. Suppose if it is a law of foreign country, it is applicable to that particular territory. The next point is original form. Intellectual property should not be copied or it should not be duplicated from any other person's work or creation. It is to be original in nature and hence intellectual property is the very essence of innovations and new technology. I hope the concepts of features of intellectual property rights is clear.